That's good. Keep going back.
Willing to get up and back in here.
Keep going back. Yep, look somewhere for your left foot there. Is that a bit more right there? Yep, move your hand down near your hip. That's better. There we go. Lean right back, head back, head back, head right back. That's it. And down you go.
Smile, sir.
Lean back, let more rope out. You're not letting your rope out fast enough at the moment. Keep your feet where they are. Don't move your feet. Don't move your feet. Keep letting rope out. Keep letting rope out. Now move your feet. Keep letting rope out. Let rope out. Move your hands down near your hip. Okay, going a bit wonky there. Come across to your right. That's it. Straighten your left leg. That's it. Okay, go.
Go now.
Rope out.
Woohoo! I've got you on video.
Right.
It's all easy from here.
Doing good. Straighten your leg. That's better.
Can you bring out?
Move your hands down.
Woohoo! Smile now.
Rope first.
Green rope. Hey? Just give me a smile and a wave, quick.